What's good, universe? Welcome to Adventure 2 of Fadayz Designz. I'd like to cover a couple quick bases. I just pressed record, so things are going to be all over the place. As the videos go forward, they'll be a whole lot more smoother. First, I would like to say good looks to every single person who supported and showed love by purchasing a shirt. The number of shirts that I was aiming to sell in 33 days was 100. I reached 85. So I truly appreciate and I am extremely grateful for everybody who actually purchased a shirt. To show my gratitude, I'm going to do a raffle in the next video. The second thing I wanted to talk about is how the editing and the shirt quality is going to pick up as these videos progress. And another thing is I would like to start interviewing artists. No matter what kind of artist you are, I would love to get you on this channel. And it's going to be strictly to support other artists. I support art, not trends, and I'm going to show it through action. Peace, and as always, you are the adventure you seek.